Have you ever felt like you wanted to change, but something kept pulling you back? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it when I feel ready. I'll begin when I have more time. Days pass, then weeks, then months, and suddenly you realize you are still standing in the same place. Not because you are incapable, not because you are unlucky, but because sometimes the biggest thing holding us back is ourselves. Part 1. The Comfort Trap. Comfort is dangerous because it doesn't feel dangerous. It feels easy. It feels familiar. One more hour scrolling. One more day procrastinating. One more excuse. And at first, those choices seem small. But small choices repeated every day slowly become your lifestyle. That's how people become stuck without even noticing it. Not because they are lazy, not because they have no potential, but because comfort convinces them they still have time. I'll start next month. I'll get serious later. I just need the right moment. Those are your excuses. But the truth is, the perfect moment rarely comes. And while people wait for perfect timing, life keeps moving. Months pass, years pass, and eventually, many people realize they spend more time thinking about changing than actually changing. Growth usually begins the moment you become uncomfortable. The moment you stop choosing what feels easy and start choosing what actually helps your future. Part 2. The Battle in Your Mind. Everyone has a voice in their head. The voice that creates doubt. The voice that says, what if you fail? What if you're not good enough? What if people judge you? And if you listen to that voice long enough, it slowly starts controlling your life. Because the stories you repeat in your mind eventually shape the way you see yourself. Some people convince themselves they cannot succeed before they even try, and over time, fear becomes their comfort zone. But here's the truth. Fear will always exist. Even successful people feel fear. The difference is, they don't allow fear to make every decision for them. Because confidence is not the absence of fear. Confidence is moving forward despite fear, one small step at a time. Part 3. Stop waiting for motivation. A lot of people believe they need motivation to change their lives. But motivation is temporary. Some days you feel inspired. Other days you feel tired, distracted, and unmotivated. If your progress depends only on motivation, then your progress depends on your emotions. And your emotions constantly change. Discipline is different. Discipline says, I don't feel like doing it today, but I'm doing it anyway. That's what separates people who improve their lives from people who only dream about improving. Not talent, not luck, consistency. Showing up repeatedly even when excitement disappears. Because most success happens quietly. It's waking up early when nobody's watching, practicing when results feel slow, working on yourself even when progress feels invisible. And eventually, those small efforts begin changing everything. Part 4. Small actions create big changes. People often underestimate small habits. Reading a few pages, working out for 20 minutes, saving a little money, learning one new thing every day. None of these things seem life-changing in the moment. But repeated over months and years, they become transformation. That's how confidence is built. Not in one dramatic moment, but through repeated actions. The problem is, most people quit too early. They expect instant results, instant success, instant confidence. But real growth takes time. Just like a tree doesn't grow overnight, neither does a stronger version of yourself. The small things you repeat daily eventually becomes your future. Part 5, the person in the mirror. At the end of the day, there is one person you cannot escape, yourself. You can make excuses to other people. You can pretend everything is okay. But deep inside, you always know the truth. You know when you're avoiding the work. You know when fear is controlling your decisions. You know when you're capable of more. And maybe that's uncomfortable to admit. But honesty changes lives because real growth begins the moment you stop lying to yourself. The moment you stop saying, I'll do it later. The moment you stop pretending you don't have potential. The moment you finally admit, I am capable of becoming more than this. That realization changes everything. Part 6, you don't need to be perfect. A lot of people never begin because they think they need to become perfect first. Perfect plan, perfect routine, perfect confidence. But perfection doesn't exist. And chasing perfection often becomes another excuse to stay stuck. You don't need everything figured out. You just need to begin. Even slowly, even imperfectly. Because progress matters more than perfection. There will be bad days. Days where you lose focus, days where you feel unmotivated, days where you want to quit. That doesn't mean you've failed. It means you're human. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is learning how to keep getting back up again and again. Part 7. Your future is built daily. Most people think their future is created by one big opportunity. But your future is mostly created by daily decisions. The things you repeatedly do, the habits you repeatedly follow, the mindset you repeatedly feed every day. You are either building the life you want or drifting further away from it. That's why your routines matter. Your focus matters. Your discipline matters. Because one lazy day becomes a week. One productive habit becomes momentum, and momentum can completely change your life. The person you become 1 year from now depends heavily on what you choose to do today. Part 8. Start now. You do not need a new year to begin. You do not need Monday. You do not need permission. You do not need to wait until life becomes easier. You can start right now. Exactly where you are, with whatever you currently have, because one step becomes two becomes momentum, and momentum changes lives. One day you'll look back and realize the biggest obstacles that was never your situation. The biggest obstacle was never your situation. It was hesitation. It was fear. It was waiting too long to believe in yourself. And the moment you finally moved forward, everything slowly started changing. Part 9, your decision. So now the question becomes, what will you do next? Will you continue repeating the same cycle, or will today become the day you finally start taking your future seriously? Because your life changes through the choices you repeat daily. Not someday, today. And maybe progress will feel slow sometimes. Maybe you'll fail a few times. Maybe people won't notice your growth immediately. But keep going anyway, because the people who transform their lives are usually not the most talented. They are the people who refuse to stop trying. You are not too late. You are not stuck forever. And your story is not over yet. Start becoming the person you know you can be.